Me? Ah, I can go inside? Wow. Thank you, shukran. Let's go, go, go. Bumpy. Ay, yun naman. Popeyes. Okay. Yes. Now we're going to Tamimi Supermarket. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. So there's a limited people that is allowed to go inside. Me? Ah, I can go inside? Wow. Thank you, shukran. So the family is being prioritized. So when you're with your husband, when you're with your wife, and all ladies are actually given the first priority. Oh, where is the push cart? Wala na. Yeah, because it's crowded dahil nga Friday. So they're trying to limit the number of people to go inside. Where's the dried mangoes? Sa'yo ba yun? Somebody's calling you. I think we have to. How much is this one? Kailangan natin ng ganito. Where's the dried mangoes? Ang biyanan ko tumatawag. Hello, nanay.
Oh, hello. Paano kayo? Oh.
Oh, kaway, nanay. Hi. Kumusta po? Kumusta po? Ito ang biyanan ko. Okay naman po, nandito kami sa supermarket.
Wala kaming trabaho. Wala kaming obro.
Ala.
Wala rin kaming sweldo. Walang trabaho, walang sweldo rin.
Asa na yung dried mangoes?
Kaya
Dried mangoes.
Mamaya na lang nanay, nasa labas.
Di okay lang naman pa. Kausapin mo si nanay. Namimiss ka na yun pa.
Si Angel, iniwan namin sa bahay. Oo, wala na kasi kami mga iniwan namin si Angel.
Wala na yung dried mangoes dito.
Kayo, kamusta na kayo man? Kayos kayo mukyan. Matutod na ko kanyan. Sige, bukas na mo pangagising mo.
My husband is sa Kapampangan.
Oo, pagkagising nyo na lang bukas.
Ito pala. Sus.
Sige, baba.
Ito. Ito pa. Panghalo ko lang naman sa ano, ref cake. Ay, nag-iisa na lang pala. Puro bananas na to, oh.
Kukuha ka niya
Dried
basket
bananas. Oh, sana.
Magkano yan?
Okay lang ba?
Magkano?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Hindi, lalagyan ko lang. Kasi, nagkaubusan ng ano, push cart.
Mura lang naman. Bakit magkano?
Huwag no, sayang. Bibili tayo nito. Useful naman siya eh. Ba't tayo nandito? Spaghetti, fettuccine, yes. Fettuccine, may sale ba? Naka-sale? Aha. 450 fettuccine. Okay. Sana yung may sale. Sa ano kasi may sale eh. Sa ibang store. Minsan, 4 na ganito, 9 real or 10 real. Anyway, let's just take one. Nakapagod din, no? Nakapagod din mag supermarket hopping. Kasi minsan hindi naman kumpleto lahat. Hindi lahat nasa isang supermarket. So you have to try other stores.
Ano pa?
Ito talaga wala siyang ano, oh. Each talaga siya 450 each. Sa ibang store, diba? Siguro sa Panda yun. Yeah, blessed Ramadan. Happy Ramadan. It's Ramadan season now. That's why there's so many products inside each stores. So many products in each stores. Ano yung sinasabi mo, Papa, na ano? Yung kailangan natin. Yung stand. Can you carry this for me? Yung stand.
Saan ang cellphone mo? Gusto mo na ito?
Ay, oo. Ganito, hindi naman to importante. Pero, tingnan ko lang. 20 real and 95 alala. Ito para sa mga baking goodies. All the baking needs it. If you want, are here. Happy birthday. Cutters. These are candles for princess theme. And other cookie cutters. Ayan. Ano pa ba? For baking. Ito na lang. Ito mura, oh. For, yan. Brown sugar. 475. 475. 500 grams. Ito na lang. Mura.
Hindi na to.
Hindi na. Mahal eh. Saucy naman ang lalagyan. So many kinds of sugar. Stevia. Ayan, ang dami-dami. Saffron. See? There's a saffron sugar cube. There's colored sugar cubes. Mint sugar cubes. And the ordinary white sugar cubes. And what's this? White sugar wrapped cubes. Ay, kadami. Fruit. What's this? Fruit sugar cubes. Fruit sugar. So many. What is this? Honey drops. Oh, honey drops. Individually packed. It's 15.50. Okay, I'm just showing the brown sugar, the dark brown sugar, caster sugar, icing sugar. This one's cake. Oh, diba? Yeah, so many sugar, so many choices. Lots and lots of choices. But of course, there's the cheapest one by the kilos. Yeah. Okay, I think this is how much? 19. I think this is 19. 19 or 20. 10.5 kilogram. Okay, we're here in the chicken area. It's 17.60. So get one whole. This chicken mixed part is 12.95. Oh, yeah, you got one. Very good, Papa. Okay, I'll get one whole. I'll get one whole. Magkano naman ang Liza Pure Corn Cooking Oil? It's 13.75. Okay. What's this? Marinated chicken. Mexican style. There's this barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Marinated. 69.5 also. So these are the nuts. Different kinds of nuts. The walnuts. Egyptian seed salted. Okay. May flour naman ako. So, as long as you have the flour, all-purpose flour, you can make anything. You can make brownies, carrot cake, anything. And barbecue. For the fish, fresh fish. And the fish, grenade. Olives, different kinds of olives from different countries. There are Syrian green olives, there's Spanish black peated olives. There are from the Balkan states. There are Lebanese olives, there are Turkish olives, Jordanian olives, Lebanese olives, Moroccan olives. Yes. There are Greek olives. And cheese, different kinds of, Middle Eastern cheese. These are handmade cheese. What are these? And these are some hams, meatloaves. And more cheese. And let's go to, ito. These are nice. Yes. Ito masarap po to sa kape. This is best with coffee and tea, actually. These are locally produced sweets or pastries. This is course. Okay. I don't know. Ito masarap ito. Fine chocolate cake mamo. Yummy. Ay, macarons. 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 Wow. Yeah, this is macarons. How much? 8.43, but I can make it actually. It's very easy. But this is pretty. Pecan pie. It's pecan pie. Wow, 42. 42 real. Magkano ang cake sa Saudi? Depende po. The caramel cake, medium size, round shape, 49.95, almost 50 real. So chocolate Oreo cake, almost 50 real. Yeah, the average price is 50 real for a medium sized round shape cake. Oh, yummy. Shut up. For the small size round shape is 24, almost 25 real. Almost 25 real for small size round shape cake. Pecan! Gusto ko i-try pecan pie. Ha? Pwede tayo kumuha. Isa lang. Try natin yung pecan pie. Try lang natin.
Isang piraso?
Tsaka yung cherry tart. And then gagayahin na natin. Ang cute naman ng mga cookies nila, oh. Special offer, French petit four biscuits or cookies. French petit four. What's this? Like Russian cookies. This looks like Russian cookies. This one. This looks like French macarons. Yep. Brother, where are you? Can you just give us this one?
Isa nito.
Oh, isa lang. Isa lang. Try lang natin. Tsaka itong
One this one and one this. Pecan, yeah.
pecan.
Pecan and cherry. One pecan, one cherry.
Juice. Dito na lang to. Dito mo ito mo. Any juice?
Buwa ka, ha?
Okay.
Pila na ako.
Okay, pila ka na. Okay. Ano kaya yung juice? Apple juice? Apple? 100% apple juice. Okay, let's get this. How much? Okay, $7.95. It's not that expensive. Ang cute naman ito. But it's not a priority right now. now. Body wash. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There's also Lifebuoy here. Dettol. Anong flavor? Anong flavor? Anong scent ang Dettol nila? Honey. Okay. How much? Dettol. 7.75. I'll get also ito. Apple. Pero ito kasi ang mabango. Mabango nito. Mabango to. I'll just get this one. Oh, liit. Okay, ito lang. Ligo na ako. Kasi na kayo si Papa. This is 20 each. Pero marami pa kami. Dishwashing liquid. So, huwag na muna yun. It's not a priority. Clorox. Meron pa kami. Where's Papa? Excuse me. Oh, where? Excuse me. Ayun. Okay. Ay, we're done. So we're done. Just added some soap. And juice. Oh. Dito na lang ako magstay. Stay safe. Please maintain social distance. Okay, so the time is what? 4:14. So everybody's rushing home because the curfew starts at 5 o'clock and it ends at 9 o'clock in the morning the next day. So we better go home fast before the clock turns 5 in the afternoon. Okay, go home everyone.